Here we have Miss Tessica Brown, a complete embarrassment to the whole African race.
It's a node on the track.
I mean, isn't she a school teacher? Shouldn't she have read that bottle before she sprayed it on her head? This is sick. Now she has a great following. She also has been offered by Beyonce's hairstylist a wig. No one wants to be involved with this guy. So what, he could put a wig on a black person. You need knowledge of self. Look at these freaking GoFundMes. These are idiots giving her money for being stupid. I just can't. Look at her. She's a teacher. That means you should be able to know how to spell, read, comprehend. It was very nice of this black doctor to do the surgery on her. She traveled to LA, but couldn't stay in her own hometown for 20 hours to get it done. I don't understand. I just don't get it. Look, she has management, she's a public figure, and her GoFundMe is here. Now, she has merch. Now she's trying to eat off of her scalp burning and her embarrassment. Now she's trying to take it there. This is utterly ridiculous.
Oh, I'm not that person y'all trying to make me out to be. I'm not that person. I'm not this whole gorilla glue girl. My name is Tessica Brown. Call me. I'll talk to y'all, let you know exactly who I am.
Here's the merch. She's letting us know exactly who she is. She's trying to eat off something that she wished she never did. She wishes this never happened. If anybody's seen the interview that she did on ET. Look at this. I wonder what her mama said.
Wish I could just,
Wow.
go back. Yeah, because I'm over it. I'm over it.
Don't act like you don't know. It's a node on the track.
Gorilla Glue garbage. I'm telling you now.
I feel like we need to clear the air because you don't
Why
want
so?
something crazy happening.
Put it on here.
Farewell thing. You know what? I think. Hey. How are you?
You don't put it on my mouth.
Bad idea. Yo, look, my hair, it don't move. You hear what I'm telling you? It don't move. I should have just put a hat on.
I just like to add that Tessica was played by the spirit beings. She did not use her best mind. She was played, she was manipulated, and she thought that she was doing the right thing. And spirit beings, of course, are the opposite of human beings. They're invisible, we're visible, and spirit beings also are programmers and controllers over people's places and things. They also made sure that she picked up the can with the gorilla on it. Now, how long have we black people been being called monkeys, y'all? Do y'all see the BS? Do y'all see this? And last but not least, just to add a little more to this, we have the most ignorant spirits placed on us by the negative forces of nature. This is done purposely. So we need to push hard and use our best mind and realize that that spirit beings are real and they do control people. And who's at the bottom right now? The black race. This is purposely done by the invisible, the adverse forces of nature. Anything that's not positive is against us. So I hope you enjoyed it, and get your mind up, y'all. True peace. This is Ta Nunet Nubaha Nupu, and I'm a proud African woman.